Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets were mostly higher on Friday, with Australia hitting a fresh 5-year high, as Chinese growth data for the third quarter pointed towards stabilization in the region's largest economy. The headline gross domestic product data came out at 7.8% for the most recent quarter, accelerating from the 7.5% growth in the second quarter. It matched the median forecast of 18 economists surveyed by the Wall Street Journal. Early in the summer, signs of a slowdown along with the liquidity crunch in June damaged sentiment towards China. In more recent months, there has been a pickup in economic data suggesting that the economy could be recovering. Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.8%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index added 0.7%. With the data coming in line with forecast, the immediate reaction was not strong. In part, this is because markets have already priced in an economic recovery, with Hong Kong and Shanghai among the best performance in the region over the last 3 months. The dollar last traded at 98.02 yens compared with 97.91 late Thursday in New York, after falling 0.9% in the previous session. The dollar fell against a number of major currencies on Thursday. Investors lowered their expectations that the Federal Reserve will start to roll back its stimulus program, as the 16-day government shutdown may have weighed on the economy. The Australian dollar pulled back from a 4-month high of 0.9647 it hit overnight, last at 0.9620. After the deal in Washington, D.C. that temporarily avoided the default, raised the debt ceiling and restarted their government, eyes are now on the coming avalanche of previously postponed economic data. The first one to come out is probably September's employment report, which could be published early next week. Another driver will be the timing of the Federal Reserve's tapering of its asset purchase programs. The market consensus sees January as the earliest point, but the next meeting is already on October 30th. The leading economic index for September from the Conference Board will not be published today due to the delays caused by the shutdown. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.